Today we're making a caterpillar snack. And what you'll need is a cucumber, a carrot, a celery, a tomato, and I had some frozen vegetables. I didn't have any olives for eyes, so I just used what I had in my refrigerator. So the first thing you do is you slice up the cucumber, and Tanner has I'll link it up, but he has a child safe knife. It's plastic, and I don't have any worries when he's using it. Of course, I'm still with him when he cuts things with this knife, but he just cut it straight down to make circles, and the circles are going to be the body. So you just keep on cutting, make as many cuts as you want to. You can use a whole cucumber, you could choose not to. We used only about half of the cucumber. And then with the carrot, I needed to do this one. I need to help him out with this one because you needed to make little sticks. So it's a little bit of a smaller cut. So I just cut it a small piece off the carrot, and then I cut it in half, and then I cut that one in smaller slices as well. So they're like tiny little carrot sticks. If you have already cut up carrot sticks, like mini baby carrots, feel free to use that. That works perfect as well. And then I just cut the celery across, and then they're going to be like little moons. So those were perfect, I thought, for legs. Of course, you can use also carrot sticks for that as well if you want to, if you don't have celery at home. And then for the tomato, for this one I used for the celery I used the whole celery stick. And then for the tomato, I just cut it in half. I had it from last night, so I just cut it in half so it's a big oval. Sometimes tomatoes are round, so if you cut it in half, that would be a perfect size for a head as well. You can also do this with an English cucumber. You can use bananas if you wish. Just cut it across and make circles, and then shape it into a caterpillar shape. So we kind of made it a wiggly caterpillar, and then you just put the head right in front for the face, because as you see in the Hungry Caterpillar, it's a green body with a red face. And then purple eyes. It's colorful. It is a beautifully written and illustrated book by Carle, who uses lots of color, but I didn't have grapes, and I didn't have olives for black eyes, so I just used, again, what we had. So we had celery, cucumber, and tomatoes. So go ahead and arrange it on your plate or tray, whatever you have. And you put the little antenna. The carrots were kind of slipping off the plate. But again, if you use English cucumber or Persian cucumber, they're a little bit smaller, so the cucumber slices would be smaller. If you have cherry tomatoes, that would work well. We use little green peas because we have the frozen vegetables, which we love at home, so we always have that on hand in our freezer. So I used the little green peas for eyes, and then Tanner wanted a little mouth, so we used whatever was in the frozen vegetables. We were going to use the green bean, but it wasn't staying on. So he kept on trying to put it on. It didn't stick, so we thought of using the little corn pieces as a little smile. Even that had a little harder time, but that's okay. We finally got it on. It looked like a smiling caterpillar. And that was it. And we love vegetables at our house. We especially love it with hummus, so we were dipping it in hummus, especially the carrots and the cucumbers. And we just love this snack. Ta-da! Gobbled it right up.